What if you could turn basic rectangles and circles into unique icons like this? In today's PowerPoint Basics, we'll build custom shapes using the options in the Merge Shapes menu. In Part 3 we focused on the fragment option. Today in Part 4 we will look at the other Merge Shape options. Before we start, let's remember this from Part 3. The Merge Shape options appear only when you have at least 2 shapes selected. Now let's get into it with the Union option. With both shapes selected, go to Shape Format. In the left side of the toolbar, click on Merge Shapes and select Union in the drop-down. This function merges everything into one single shape. There are no cutouts, just one solid outline that follows the outer border of all selected shapes. Everything now behaves as one shape. As you can see, the fill color changes all at once. The same goes for the outline. It will go around the entire newly created shape. You won't be able to select the single elements anymore that were used to create this shape. Now let's have a look at the Combine option. Again, with both shapes selected, go to Shape Format and Merge Shapes, then select Combine. The area where both shapes overlap will now become a cutout. The Combine option removes the overlapping area. Everything that is left will act as one shape, like in the Union example. It will move as a unit and can only take on one fill color. In the cutout you can see the original slide. This means you can fill the cutout with another color or a picture if you put a shape or an image behind it. Next we are going to explore the Intersect option. As you have learned by now, we are going to select both shapes, go to Shape Format and then Merge Shapes. This time select Intersect in the drop-down. Intersect can be seen as the opposite of Combine. It keeps the overlapping area. Everything that does not overlap is removed. You can use this option to create unique shapes or to trim down a shape to a specific area. You can also intersect more than 2 shapes, just make sure to select them all before applying Intersect. For the final option, we will have a look at Subtract. Here the order of layers matters. PowerPoint will always remove the second shape from the first one. So in case you get a result that does not look right, make sure your shapes are in the right order. If you are not familiar with the layering of shapes yet, stay tuned for Part 5 of the series. In this next part we are going to explore the grouping and layering of shapes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a follow to not miss any other parts of the PowerPoint Basics series. And don't forget to check out Part 3 for all the details on fragmenting shapes. See you next time.